Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in House Flipper game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on System, then click on Sound. Scroll down. Under Advanced option, click on More Sound Settings. And then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Go to Spatial Sound tab and here select the off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down here select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the House Flipper game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using any headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Fix 3 steps to fix audio problem in House Flipper if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray. Select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and then select Properties. Now go to the Services tab, uncheck Hands-Free Telephony, Remote Control and Remotely Controllable Device. Click Apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera phone, etc. and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in House Flipper game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.